marketing guy. Someone introduced me to Mr. Davis, and he said to me, I do project management. And I was like, what's project management? I don't know what project management is about. And he said, don't worry, just come for the meetings. It wasn't structured, so we started. And it was like Greek to me. I would go for meetings and I would just be speaking Greek. Anyway, that ended around March. And then the proper mentoring program started in August, and I joined that. And we finished around November, and we had a graduation ceremony like this where he, coached us on how to, drop your CV, attend interviews, blah, blah, blah. And the following Monday, I came with my CV, he reviewed it, and he said, fine. So Monday morning, I put my CV on JobServe. Within 5 minutes of posting my CV on JobServe, I think I got my first call. And then that week, it was just calls, I just kept getting calls. And I was running around the whole of London like a crazy woman, going from one interview to the other. And it continued till, I think, March. And I got my first job with Rekit Benkiza. FMCG, they do digital show, Epic, And when they called me for an interview, I told my husband, I said, if these people can call me for an interview, there's something on my CV. I must have, no way. So I went for the interview. I met with 4 people. They were global head of something, global head of HR, global head of innovation. I said, me, this one, me. And they kept asking questions, and I kept saying, you know what, I don't understand anything you guys are talking about. Don't worry, you don't understand it too, just come. And I got the job. And I was on the floor with people that were global brand managers and global this and global that. And they wanted me to work on over 100 websites. I said, no. You want to bring me from one concept or website to over 100. Anyway, I had to walk out of that job after like 3 weeks. Because I couldn't do it. 3 weeks later, I got another job. How did I get the job? I saw this job online. I got a mail from a recruiter. I called the recruiter. I said, I can do this. He said, so what was the last job you did? And I told her about it. I said, that's not fair. How can they tell you to come and do a program role? That's not a project, it's a program. I said, how did you get the job? I said, I don't know. I just told them, I said, all of these things you're saying, I don't understand. And they said I should come and take the job. She said, you know what, you must have told them something. I'll put your CV forward. I will take it from there. And she did exactly that. Like 2 hours later, she called me and said, these people want to meet with you. I said, I'm not ready. She said, just go. They are lovely people, don't worry, just go. And I got there. And everything I said, it was as if I was sweet talking them. They were just going and eyeing, and I was thinking, what's wrong with all this? And that was how I got the job. I got the job before I even got home. They called me on the way. The recruiter said, what did you tell them? Because I have other people scheduled and they don't want to see them. They cancelled it. And that was how I got the job. And I got the job, I started, and I was saying things that they didn't understand. So you have to get Jira. I said, what's Jira? You don't know Jira. I said, see this, Jira. Even I didn't really know how to use Jira. Because we didn't have, the right license. They had you could only 5 of us could use Jira, and I'll just say, give me your password. Let me try, my hands on it. They use Jira today. They have highlight reports today. Things that they were not doing before. Things that you just take for granted here. Some organizations don't even have them anywhere. So please don't take anything for granted. You're on the right path. If I can get a job, anybody on this program can get a job.
Hello everyone. About 3 weeks ago, I was going to say a job very close to their house, a PA job. He said, I'm going to apply for it. I said, what do you know? He says, look at me, I'll apply for it. Then he did. He went for the first stage of the interview and the second stage. And at the end of it, he got it. Why? How? While I'm doing my stuff online every night, we'll just walk by and listen. Then when I'm talking to my colleagues, doing brainstorming and everything, he listens. And the day of the interview, he said, come and tell me what you've been doing the night. He told him everything. So he got the job. Sure that. And it made me to go for a job fair. It was like, they don't take a BA role, so they do only PM. Then I said to the guy, I can do it. I can say something about it. So I was saying everything he says every night when he's got the project highlight and everything. Because I said, I know what they use, I know what they do. He said, that's fine. He would love to take me in and speak to the MD. So I think that was on a Wednesday. I didn't bother to send my CV because I didn't have one. So the guy emailed me 5 minutes to 9 on a Monday morning, like, we need your CV. My MD needs to say. I was like, oh, he's serious. So I sent it, I rushed my CV, this same one. So he saw it, and the guy emailed me the next day, like, I'm working on it. I'll get in contact with you as soon as possible. but I haven't had anything. Then I've been sending my CV as well, and I've been getting like emails and calls like, we'll call you when we need you, and like that. And what I did was like, I look at the job description, I put everything hard up to my CV, then I take something out sometimes. Look at a job description, like I've seen, okay, we've done this, I know this, then I just put it in. That's how I've been doing. Thank you.